In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render an abstract art. To follow along, you need to activate two add-ons. There add mesh extra objects and add curve extra objects that can be found under Edit, Preferences, and Add-ons. We need to create a curve point and press the 3D button. Let's turn off the normal indicator. Let's extrude the curve point. We could press V and A to smooth the edges like this, but it's better to undo and manually bevel the edges in mesh mode. Let's turn this curve into mesh and move it on the x-axis like this. Let's extrude and select these edges to bevel with Ctrl B. Please remember to use the mouse wheel to add more segments while beveling. Let's add a torus knot. Let's use this knot. Let's set the resolution to any number higher than 300. Let's apply a new material to the Lightroom mesh. We can remove the HDRI and use the default background like this. Let's add glass and emission nodes. Please use these settings. We can add hue and saturation value node to bump up the brightness. This is better than bumping up the strength of the background node. Let's do the rest of the usual render setup with the cycles renderer, denoise and 128 samples. If the filmic doesn't look better than the standard one, please don't use it. Let's add a point light at the ceiling. Please test with the strength of the light. This is the end of the abstract art tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.